Alright, while I'm down here in the garage, I figured I'd show you guys some of the tools that are required for this project. The threads that I researched on, they all point these tools out, but I figured I'd just show you what I was using. First of which is this steering wheel lock plate remover that I got off of Amazon. It's made by Powerbuilt. And what it does is when you get into there, it attaches to the steering shaft. And then when you tighten down this nut, the fork here presses against the steering locking plate, allowing you to take off the fastener which holds it on. And without this tool, this whole job would not be possible, because the lock plate is one of the first things that you actually encounter. The very first thing you'll encounter after removing the airbag is to remove the steering wheel itself. And to do that, I went to a local Pep Boys, and actually they rent you the steering wheel puller kit for basically free. You put down a $60-some deposit, and upon return, you have a week to rent it. They give you your money back, and it includes a nice assortment of different size bolts and the different accessories and whatnot to make all this work. I didn't know at the time, but this kit actually came with a steering wheel lock plate remover tool in it, so really I didn't have to buy that lock plate remover tool off of Amazon. I could have saved myself a few dollars, but thankfully it was only, I think, $5 shipped to my house, so I didn't really care at that point. If it was a $20 tool, I probably would have regretted it. But this is nice because you get to rent it for free and take it back. As long as you don't damage anything, then you get your money back, sort of deal. Now, the tool that I was talking about earlier was the steering wheel pivot pin remover. And what this thing does is when you get down into the steering column, it allows you to remove the pivot pins to get that last component off, which I think will give me access to these external Torx bits. Here again, it's just another $5 tool that I picked off of Amazon. Something to have. Will I ever use it again? Who knows? But at least it'll be in the toolbox so that if I ever do need it, I have access to it. So I'm hoping that this all this effort that I'm putting forth will solve my problem. But I guess we'll find out in due time. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens.